Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. We have a dishwasher. And it's kind of an old dishwasher, but it still has a little bit of life left in it, as long as I can resolve one thing, and we'll do that today. Okay, so we opened her up, and you can see the racks here. They're actually two different colored racks, and that's because I replaced one at one time, and it's a different color, unfortunately. But I'm still having the same problem I did before I replaced one of these racks. And you can see right here, it's rust. And you might be familiar with this. This is very common with dishwasher racks. They eventually rust. Basically, there's a little coating on these little prongs and the rack itself, which helps prevent the rusting. But if they get scratched or cut, water will seep in and start rusting beneath the coating. And as you can see here, I've already lost a prong. I've also lost a prong right here. And you can see that the rusting is extending beyond where the coating damage occurred. And the rust will just keep on, water will get in underneath the coating and the rusting will expand farther. Here it looks like I'm gonna lose this prong if I don't do something about it. There's also one right there. And I didn't lose a prong here, but you can see all the rust damage that's happening there. And to help prevent future rusting, what I'm gonna be using is this ReRack product right here. It's basically just a material you sort of paint on to the rusted surface, and it will create a water barrier so no additional rusting will occur. Now it won't regrow your little prong here or kind of repair this damage, but you could paint over this and it will help prevent this rust from getting worse. Also, a very common issue is at the tips of these prongs. It's very common that you get rusting there, either because you're putting a lot of pots or pans on there. Now, I've never really had that issue, but that is actually more common than rusting at the base. And not only can you buy this kind of this coating repair kit, you can also buy little tip protectors. And maybe on Amazon or at your local hardware store, you can buy these little things that kind of fit on top and help protect that. But we're not going to do that today. We're just going to apply ReRack. So the first thing you want to do is just get yourself some ibuprofen alcohol or some rubbing alcohol and just apply it to a paper towel and try to clean off as much of the rust as you can. You might get some rust falling just like that, but you want to get rid of some of the loose stuff, but you also want to just clean off the surface as best you can, especially if there's oil or other debris on the surface. You want the ReRack product to bond well to the existing surface. Now you can see here all the rust that fell off from the cleaning, and I kind of want to just lift this up really quickly and show you kind of close up how much damage some of this rusting can do. This particular, the base of this particular prong, I don't think I can really recover it. I'll eventually lose this prong, but I'll coat it anyway. But you can see the extensive nature of the rusting that has occurred. Okay, so we're going to first apply it to this little spot here. Now, the instructions say apply, there's a little brush. Now, I did shake this really well. There is a little brush that comes with it, which is very handy, just like that. And they say it's actually not that thick. You can see right here, it's actually a fairly thin product. And so they do recommend maybe putting 2 or 3 coats on it and let it dry for about 30 minutes in between. So we're just gonna kind of just apply a first coat for now. And you can see it doesn't go on really thick, but after about 30 minutes, it will harden and start protecting the surface. And then perhaps it looks like maybe at least one more coat, maybe another coat after that. But we'll let that go ahead and dry for 30 minutes and then see where we're at. So after about 30 minutes, it's dry to the touch, but you can tell that it does need a new coat. And you could also tell, well, it is white, and this particular rack was kind of a gray color. Now ReRack, I don't think comes in different colors other than white. At least I haven't been able to find different colors. Now different other products, other rack repair products do come in some different colors. I've seen gray, I've seen black and blue as well. Also those tips I was mentioning, also some of them do come in different colors. So if you don't have a white rack and you want your little repair to match the color, you will probably need to go with a different product other than ReRack. And there you go. I think 2 coats probably work fine for this spot, but I may need a 3rd coat on these more rusty locations. It doesn't look all that pretty, especially with the white on gray, or actually this is more of a tan color. But if you had a white rack, it probably would look just fine. But that's about it. I hope this video helped you out, and if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.